Rhonda Schaefer of Action Home Business. Welcome to my YouTube channel and listen to this entire video because at the end I have a message for you. Do you know inside of you are all of the same qualities as a hummingbird? Do you feel strongly about what you stand for? Have you put some thought into it? I have, yet for many years it was difficult to put into words. And after doing some research, I decided that what I learned about the hummingbird said it best. And if you find value in this topic, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below. While they are tiny beings, hummingbirds pack a lot of powerful and positive energy, and they are associated with colorful flowers from which they get nectar and in turn pollinate. Because of its vibrancy and variety, the hummingbird remains and reminds us to welcome diversity in our lives and to honor the richness of variety. Too much routine has the potential to drag us down and put things on an autopilot so we stop evolving. The hummingbird is the opposite of falling into a rut. After all, if the hummingbird didn't visit multiple blossoms, it would limit their capacity to pollinate more flowers, thus hindering growth. So if you feel stuck in some way or you don't have answers, do something different. Switch up your routine. The hummingbird also symbolizes joy, healing, and good luck. While they are tiny beings, hummingbirds pack a lot of powerful, positive energy. Here are some universal hummingbird meanings to people around the world. Joy, healing, beauty, sweetness, good luck, variety, angels, spirits, messengers, flirtatiousness, and agility. With their special flying skills, even in windy conditions, the hummingbird can stabilize themselves in mid-air while feeding. Seeing a hummingbird adjust to conditions to reach their goals can be a reminder that life is not about waiting for the perfect conditions. So instead of resisting challenges, consider how you can handle them with grace and agility. By doing this, you can achieve your goals. The hummingbird also says, if there is an opportunity in front of you, don't wait. Be agile and seize the moment. In addition to being speedy, the hummingbird is very important to the ecosystems in which it lives. As a pollinator, the hummingbird serves a vital role alongside the bee and the butterfly. They are foundational to supporting life on Earth. As a power animal, the hummingbird is a reminder that although you may feel small or insignificant at times, one person can have a big impact. Why not let that be you? Whatever your dreams are, even if they may seem small by other people's standards, be like the hummingbird and get busy. Use your positive energy to achieve your aims. If you are someone who thrives on going, and going, remember, even the hummingbird takes some downtime to rest. After all, you do want to keep yourself healthy, mentally, emotionally, and physically. So remember to take time to recharge so you can be primed to accomplish your dreams. Since life can be hard on the earthly plane, remember the hummingbird. With its vibrant, humming presence, it reminds us to focus on the joy in life. As a symbol of joy, variety, and healing, The hummingbird is a dynamic symbol for bringing more happiness and vitality into your life. So, when you think about the hummingbird, sit back in awe and remind yourself how amazing they are. You are amazing too, because inside of you are all of the same qualities as the hummingbird. Now write this down and look at it every day. 1. You have powerful, positive energy. 2. You are a symbol of vibrancy and variety. Number 3, you welcome diversity in your life and honor the richness of variety. 4, you can get out of the rut if you're in one. 5, you are fundamental to helping others. 6, you are going to get busy and use your positive energy for good. And last but not least, number 7, you are going to take time to take care of yourself to stay healthy. As a result, everything you do will attract all kinds of abundance. You just need to be like the hummingbird. With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer with Action Home Business. If you found value in this topic, please like and comment below. And while you're there, you can even subscribe if you want to. Have a good day.